Well, it has been an incredible performance for the BJP in UP. More than 70 seats, completely unexpected, not seen by any except one exit poll that everyone, of course, is talking about. But one of the areas where the BJP has done very well is also riot-hit Muzaffarnagar, where the riot accused who were fielded by the BJP very controversially have actually won by huge margins.
A massive victory for BJP in riot-hit Muzaffarnagar. As Sanjeev Balyan, accused of inciting violence, won by over 4 lakh votes. And celebrations were on, violating the UP government's ban on victory processions in the area.
देश में भ्रष्टाचार कम करने के लिए, देश में जो गुंडा राज था उसको खत्म करने के लिए, यूपी में जो गुंडा राज है उसको खत्म करने के लिए, हर हर मोदी, घर घर मोदी, भारत माता की जय।
10 साल का कांग्रेस का जो शासन था उसके खिलाफ ये जनमानस का विजय है और नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने गुजरात में विकास किया है उसकी विजय है।
Celebrations continued until evening, even as 22 districts, including Muzaffarnagar, identified as sensitive after the riots, remained under prohibitory orders. Balyan was part of the beating, which it was alleged provoked people to violence that left 60 people dead last September. Not just Muzaffarnagar, there seems to be clear polarization of votes across western UP. In Kairana, Hukum Singh, another riot accused, won by over 2 lakh votes. In Baghpat, Satyapal Singh defeated Ajit Singh. In Meerut, Rajendra Agarwal also won with a comfortable margin. Perhaps it was this speech by Amit Shah a week before elections that exhorted Hindus to avenge their alleged humiliation, the Election Commission Caesar notwithstanding.
There's no question that BJP's landslide victory is no less than a historic moment in Indian politics. Its domination in UP, especially in western UP, has played a vital role. Here in the riot-hit Muzaffarnagar, BJP insiders attribute this victory to the strategy of polarization of votes, scripted by none other than Amit Shah himself. In Muzaffarnagar, with camera person Kamal Kant and Dilshad, I'm Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.